Welcome to the vlog. It looks like some of you are experiencing boredom and you have the challenge about what to do at home. And I don't blame you. Being at home all the time is really boring, especially now when we really can't go outside. But I came up with a couple of ideas, so maybe I can help you. I think it's like 20, 30. We can say 30 things to do at home. You can clean your wardrobe.
Three hours later.
You can organize them from winter to spring, or you can take it out the clothes that you're not wearing anymore. You can learn how to cook or try out new recipes. Or you can clean the house. Or you can just read a book that you've been avoiding for a long time. You can plant some plants. You can make a banana dress.
Il software mi sa, io non so bene, forse
Drink water.
i permessi, ma non mi pare che fosse.
You can play with your pets. Bring back the ball.
8 zucchine, una frutta del saltato mese.
Come on.
Poi
Bring back the ball.
il mese
Anyone? No?
ancora
No one wants to bring back the ball. Wash your hands. Wash it more. Yes. Clean your computer. Really clean your computer. Count rice like Marina Abramovich. Oh no, I forgot where I was. Write a letter for your future self. Write down all your desires, your hopes, how you feel being in the quarantine, and what you want to do when you're out. So today for lunch I'm doing chicken again. It's the leftover, the other part of the chicken what we ate yesterday. because this is the last food we have. Tomorrow I have to make groceries. And this one is a chicken with flour. It's really good. You take the chicken and then you rub the lemon over it. Around the chicken. You put oil and rosmarino in a pan and then you put the chicken. We are eating outside because the weather is just gorgeous. Ooh. You saw the lemon here? Because the meat is lemonish. So I served also lemon drink. Can I serve some lemon juice? Signore? I'm editing yesterday's video. I have to find out a schedule how I'm going to do this, that all the editing and all the recording can happen, because I cooked today, but it was like 3 times more because I had to record it. So I don't know how others are doing, but doing it next to other jobs, but I feel like just doing this is way enough to fill my day. I want to make a 10 minutes video every day, and that's why it's really difficult, because I could make a 5-minute video every day with really fast editing, and maybe that would be more enjoyable for you as well. I don't know, just tell me what you prefer, because it depends on that. If you don't want me to, you know, show all the details, but then I'm not going to do it. But if you are interested, then it's worth it. You think I'm only joking with this whole counting the rice thing, but let me tell you, there's an artist called Marina Abramovic who made a piece which is about this counting the rice thing. I have a video about this, check it out. So the whole point is that you are doing something really meditative. You're doing the same action all over and over again. You can do something else. You don't have to just count rice. You can do whatever you want. But the point is that you are repeating an action, and it puts you a meditative status. So I'm recommending you to try it, because it really calms you down in these strange times. Look at that full moon. Oh my god, it's gorgeous.